It's been a while, but it's time for another Meg What's for Dinner. Another little easy stir fry Asian edition. I'm just heating up 1 little tablespoon of oil in the wok here. I've got these Trader Joe's vegetables with stir fry sauce. I have not made these before. I'm gonna add a little bit extra broccoli, maybe some fresh ginger that we have on hand, some garlic, I think. We'll add some garlic. I've got the Trader Joe's microwave in the bag brown rice. Maybe more green beans if it needs more. We're just zhuzhing it up with more extra veg. I'm marinating chicken right now. Just throw in the air fryer. Doing a little sort of a makeshift Asian. We're doing coconut aminos, maple syrup, little balsamic, and soyaki. Just a total mesh melange, and I'm gonna season it up with salt and pepper and whatever. Maybe something spicy, we'll see. Okay, steamed a bunch of broccoli in case Sid doesn't like the stir-fried vegetables. Here's the stir-fried vegetables. Pretty much ready to go, and we're air frying my pre-marinated and chopped up chicken to go in with the stir fry. Trader Joe's brown rice, microwave in a bag. Yes, I need to clean my kitchen, but it's actually pretty clean. It's just, we need to put away some stuff and clean the floors. Yep. It turned out delicious, very easy to make.